Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel Ritu Garg Maths Classes. As you all know that CBSE has released the list of deleted topics of different subjects for classes 9 to 12th recently due to COVID-19. So today I am going to discuss in detail the deleted topics of the subject mathematics for class 12th. So this will be the detailed discussion for class 12th maths 2020-21 session, and the latest deletions will be discussed which have been released from CBSE. Let's start with the chapter 1. From the very first chapter, relations and functions, the topics deleted are composite functions, inverse of a function. This is the very first topic deleted, and the corresponding exercise, the related exercise, is exercise 1.3 and its examples. The next topic is binary operations, which was actually deleted last year only. It has been already deleted since 2019. So exercise 1.4 and its examples still seem to be deleted because these have not been added yet. So it seems that these topics of binary operations and the corresponding exercise is still deleted. But no clarification has come from CBSE regarding this. So until it is added, it is considered to be deleted. And the corresponding questions from miscellaneous exercise as well. So from the first chapter, you have to do exercise 1.1, 1.2 only, and the related questions of miscellaneous. Let's come to chapter 2, inverse trigonometric functions. The topics deleted are graphs of inverse trigonometric functions. These graphs have been given on page 35 to 40. So these are all deleted. The next topic deleted is elementary properties of inverse trigonometric functions. Whole exercise 2.2 and its examples, and the basic properties, basic formulae, these all have been deleted now. And the corresponding questions from miscellaneous exercise will automatically be deleted. Next is chapter 3, matrices. The topics deleted are existence of non-zero matrices whose product is the zero matrix. The related example is example 15, which is given on page 76. The next topic is the concept of elementary row and column operations. It used to be a very important topic, but now it is deleted. Its related exercise is exercise 3.4 and its examples. Otherwise, usually a question used to come in CBSE boards from this topic, but now it is deleted. So it seems 3.4 and its examples are deleted now. The next topic deleted is proof of the uniqueness of inverse if it exists. This is theorem 3 given on page 91. So all these have been deleted, and the corresponding questions from miscellaneous exercise are also deleted. Let's come to chapter 4, determinants. The topics deleted are properties of determinants. Again, very important topic. It used to be considered as one of the sure shot questions of CBSE, which is now deleted. It is related to exercise 4.2 and its examples. The next topic is again an important topic which is gone out of the syllabus. It is consistency, inconsistency, and solutions of system of linear equations. Related exercise is exercise 4.6 and its examples, and the corresponding questions from miscellaneous exercise. Actually, the usual questions which used to come in board exams from chapter 3 and 4, all these topics, properties of determinants, properties, you can say the row operations, column operations, consistency, these all have been deleted. Next is chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. The topic deleted is Rolle's theorem as well as Lagrange's mean value theorem. without proof and their geometric interpretation. It seems to be related with exercise 5.8 clearly in the book, and its examples will be deleted. It's a big chapter, so only one exercise 5.8 is deleted, rest all you have to do. Next is chapter 6, applications of derivatives. Rate of change of bodies. This is the very first exercise of the chapter, exercise 6.1 and its examples. This whole exercise is related with rate of change. This is deleted now. This is no longer in the syllabus. Next is use of derivatives in approximations. The corresponding exercise is exercise 6.4 and its examples. Obviously, corresponding questions of miscellaneous exercise. The questions which are related to approximations or rate of change from exercise, miscellaneous exercise, will automatically be deleted. It's again a big chapter, so you have many other topics to be covered from. Chapter 7, integrals. This is now second book has started. Chapter 7, integrals. The topics deleted are integrals of the type under the root quadratic. This is given in example 23, 24 and questions 3 to 7 of exercise 7.7. This is a very detailed explanation. Now you can look into the book and mark the questions. All these examples 23, 24 and question 3 to 7 of exercise 7.7 are related with this type. Integrals of the type under the root quadratic. The next type is linear into quadratic under the root. It is related to the supplementary material given on page 613 to 616. Supplementary material was added a few years back in the book, and now it is again deleted. The next topic deleted is definite integrals as a limit of a sum. This used to be a good question in CBSE boards, having good potential, but now it is deleted. And its related exercises, exercise 7.8 and its examples. So you need not cover these topics and these exercises from the NCERT book. Next is chapter 8, applications of integrals. The topic deleted is area between any of the two above said curves. The corresponding exercise is exercise 8.2 and its examples. It is a very small chapter. Only 2 exercises are there. So second is now deleted. So you need to cover first exercise and the miscellaneous. And miscellaneous corresponding questions of the deleted topic will also be deleted. So you have to take care. Corresponding questions from miscellaneous exercise will be deleted. If the question considers the area between any of the two given curves, it will be deleted. So you need not cover exercise 8.2. Chapter 9, differential equations. There are many topics deleted in this chapter. The very first is formation of differential equation whose general solution is given. Its related exercise is 9.3 and its examples. This whole exercise and examples have been deleted now. The next topic is solutions of linear differential equation of the type dx by dy plus px is equal to q. There are 2 types of linear differential equation, out of which this type has been deleted. This is the second type of linear differential equation, you can say. And the corresponding questions are example 21 and question 10, 11 and 19 of exercise 9.6. I have looked into the book very carefully and marked the questions. You can also look into the books and mark these questions carefully. And the corresponding questions from miscellaneous exercise. Some clarifications are still required from CBSE, and I think those will be clear as with the passage of time only. So it seems that these topics are simply related with these questions. So these need not be done. Next is chapter 10, vectors. The only topic deleted is scalar triple product of vectors. which is given in exercise 10.5 and its examples. It is in the supplementary material. The supplementary material is given at the back of the book. It is from page 616 to 622. You can see supplementary material means it was added in the NCERT book, especially just a few years ago. But now due to COVID-19, as the syllabus had to be reduced, so this topic has been deleted. The next is chapter 11, three-dimensional geometry, another big chapter, important chapter. A few topics have been deleted. The very first is angle between two lines. This would be covered in example 9, example 10 and questions 10 to 13 of exercise 11.2. Then the formula for angle between two planes. This will be covered in example 22, 23 and question 12 and 13 of exercise 11.3. Please mark these questions in your book so that you need not be doing it. And the last topic deleted from this chapter is angle between a line and a plane. Corresponding question is example 25. Angle between two lines, angle between two planes and angle between a line and a plane. So you can simply see all the angle formulae from the three-dimensional geometry have been ticked off. And the corresponding questions from miscellaneous exercise automatically are deleted. Next is chapter 12, linear programming. The topics deleted are mathematical formulation of linear programming problems and the unbounded regions. The unbounded regions is clear in example 4 and questions 6, 7, 8 of exercise 12.1. But this mathematical formulation covers a big part of the chapter. So the clarification will be coming along with the passage of time only. What does CBSE want to say here? Is it 12.1 or 12.2? That will be clear with the passage of time as they have not clearly mentioned it. Mathematical formulation means you have been given a situational problem and you have to convert it into a linear programming problem and then solve graphically. So basically these questions need not be done for the time being. And the rest depends with the more clarifications from the CBSE. Then comes the last chapter, chapter probability, chapter 13. The topics deleted are mean and variance of random variable. The corresponding questions are example 27, 28, 29 and questions 10 to 17 of exercise 13.4. Whole exercise is not deleted. Only these questions of this exercise have been deleted. So please take care. Binomial probability distribution is another topic which had been deleted last year, but in the beginning of this year it was added and now again it has been deleted. So it is related with exercise 13.5 and its examples. Obviously, the corresponding questions from miscellaneous exercise have been deleted. So I have tried to discuss the whole syllabus, whole list of topics which are deleted from CBSE in detail. If any comments, you can leave your comments in the description box, in the comment box. And please don't forget to share this video, press the bell icon and also subscribe to my channel Ritu Garg Maths Classes, as within a few weeks I'll be covering more videos on the updation of the syllabus as well as detailed discussion of the syllabus of different classes from 9 to 12. Thank you.